Imagine you're working in a marketing agency. You're managing a project with multiple team members. The deadlines are tight, tasks are piling up, and communication can sometimes feel scattered. You need a solution that helps everyone stay on the same page while ensuring that tasks get completed on time. This is where teamwork comes in. It can simplify communication, task management, and collaboration, allowing your team to focus on what really matters. Hi, I'm Ajita from KnowHow Academy, and today I welcome you to this tutorial on 5 time saving tips for using Teamwork, a powerful project management tool known for its simplicity and efficiency. Before starting the video, let us quickly see what we are going to learn in this video. So in this video, we are going to learn about what is teamwork, the interface and features of teamwork, 5 time saving tips for using teamwork. So let's get started. First, we'll see what is teamwork. Teamwork is a project management software designed to help teams stay on track, collaborate easily, and reach their goals efficiently. Whether you're working on a small project or a large scale campaign, teamwork has the features to keep everyone aligned and productive. Next up, we are going to check out the interface and features of teamwork. So we are going to log into the website and we'll see how the clean and user-friendly dashboard of teamwork can help us organize and maintain our tasks and help them arrange and work with our projects easily and maintaining the workflow. So we'll just simply go on the Google and here we'll search for teamwork. So as we search, the first comes up is ClickUp, the next is teamwork.com. So we are going to check on it. As I'm already logged in, so I'm going, this is the place which is shown on my teamwork.com. If I just simply go for home, so this is the home page which I can see, but in your case, if you're going to sign up for first time, then you can just simply sign up with the your email and you need to provide a password. If you want to try it out for free, there is an option of try for free, and if you already have an existing account, you can just simply log in and then you can start working with it. Now as we go on, we can here check out different types of things which is there in the interface. For example, your work, your calendar, your timesheet, your projects, your activity inbox and dashboard. So what all we can do with the teamwork? We can simply create tasks and manage them. Let me show you how. So you can go here in the home, or you can parallel to team invite, there's an arrow. If you just click on it, you can check out that there are multiple things that you can create. So here are tasks, you can start a timer, you can have a log time of the work you have done, you can create a project, check out the budget, check out the messages and many more things. So this is how Teamwork's task management system is really intuitive. You can simply create tasks, assign them to team members, set their due dates, and you can organize them by setting priorities and ensuring that nothing falls through the cracks. It's a great way to keep everyone on the same page and in the right direction. Now, as you can also see, there's an option of log time and start timer. This is provided so that you can track the time. So this is another feature of teamwork, which is basically teamwork allows your team to track how much time is spent on each task. This is especially useful for project management and budgeting. So as you can see, you can have a budget or you can have billable projects. So based on the time you have spent, you can basically charge your clients. So you can gain insights at how long the task took and adjust the timelines and resources accordingly. Now next up is communication. As you can see, I have some tasks already over here. So if I just simply click on it, so you can check out here that I can even add comments and mention people and multiple things. So this is how teamwork makes your communication easy, whether it's through direct messaging, group chats or comment sections on tasks. It helps team communicate in real time without the need for endless mails. Everyone can stay in the loop without information getting lost. Now, if we talk about file sharing, so you can also see there's an option of drag and drop your files here. So you can simply browse your files like this, upload your files, or choose from your existing file if there is any in your teamwork. So for file sharing, Teamworks lets you upload and share files directly within the task or projects. No need to search through your inbox for that important document, and it's all right there, organized and accessible. Now let's move into the tips which we are supposed to see. So before talking about the 5 time saving tips, let me show you a basic project which I have maintained so that you can easily relate that why do we need these tips. So if I just simply move in my project, so you can see there are 2 projects. First is Agile software development and the other one is website redesign. So as you can see, the first one is non-billable and the second one is billable as the budget section is there. So if I just simply click on it, so there are multiple tasks under your list. So if I just click on all lists, so there are 3 lists, which is your today's task related to redesigning of the website, and also the last list, which is your testing phase that comes after the redesigning. So or you can see all the tasks under your list, which you can also add from here. So you can, if you want to add a list, you can add a task list, but if you want to add a task, you can just simply click on here and do it. Now as we are talking about the project, there are multiple views for more like list, then you have got board view, then you have a table view, then a dashboard where you can have the summary of the task and also the activity that has been done with the timings. Now you can also access the files, the time, and if you have a form or if anything more, you can always just check it here. And here it also gives you the setup, that how much setup has been done, how much project has been done. Now if I again move on to board, so these are the tasks that are done or in to do or should have been done but are now in a backlog. So these are the stages. If you want, you can add more. So this is the simple project based on website redesign, and some tasks are added over here. Now let's dive into the 5 powerful time-saving tips to help your work smarter with teamwork. These tips will show you how to make the most of teamwork's features, saving you time and enhancing efficiency for your team. Tip number 1. Use the shortcut T+N on your keyboard to create a task instantly. Supposedly, as I have shown that you need to create a task under your list, but for example, you're working on a list and you forgot to make a task. Now you're in between somewhere and you just need to create a task. So you don't need to go back and create a task. You can just simply click T+N and then there you have it. You can have a new task. For example, working with it. So now as I'm on this interface and I am not clicking on add a task or anywhere, I just simply click on the clipboard T+N. You can also see these shortcuts over here where it tells you which alphabet is used for which creation. For example, for task it is T, and for start timer it is S, and many more. So if I just click on T, then you can just simply add a quick add task. So you can give a task name, for example, designing method document, and this is you can select the project, select the task list under which task you want to do it, start a due date. For example, I'm setting up today's date, and then you can just add a due date. Estimated time you think it will take is maybe 3 hours. Then you can even add a description if you want. You can notify it by the mail, and you can just simply click on create task and it is done. So if you again check out your list. For example, you're going to this, and then if you can just simply check the redesigning task, here you can see your task is there and everything is mentioned. So this is how you can simply use the shortcut T plus N or T directly, and you can make a task without having any problems within your workflow. So by using this shortcut, you'll never miss a task again and can even keep your work moving forward without distraction. So as we move forward, we are going to tip number 2, where you can use task templates to save time on repetitive tasks. So what this has to do? Now let me explain. If you're working on projects that involve similar tasks or recurring workflows, task templates are an absolute game changer. Instead of manually creating the same set of tasks for every project, you can set up a task template to automate this process and save time. Now, let's see how you can do it. So, for example, this is the task list which we have created for this particular project, where there are certain tasks assigned, some due dates are there, and some columns are there which we are following. So if you just want to add this list in another project, you can simply go follow this path of templates, then save as template, and there you go. This is done. Redesigning task, you can add a description if you want, that is optional, and make this template private to your company or include completed tasks, whatever you need. So I'm making it private and save as template. Now if you just simply check out this template, so you can see this is the template created. Now moving forward, let's check out the tip number 3, which is use the My Task to view and stay focused on your priorities. So it can be overwhelming when you have multiple projects on your plate, each with several tasks assigned to you. However, teamwork has a powerful feature called My Task view that helps you focus on what's important by showing you all the tasks assigned to you across different projects in one place. So if you just go on the sidebar, you can select on home, and here your task is under your My Work. So if you just simply click on My Work, you can see what is scheduled for you, which is organized by the things assigned to you and what you have to manage with their deadlines and their priorities. So you can just simply check them out and see the due date, their priority, and the time estimated given if there is, or you can start your log time and start the project. And here the project details are also given, so you can just check these out and plan your calendar accordingly and do the things. And if you want, your calendar could be planned by the tool itself by Plan with My Calendar function. So this is how you can organize your task using filters, priority levels, or due dates, ensuring you know exactly what needs to be done one after the other. So by using this feature, you can reduce the mental clutter of having to jump between projects and instead focus on the tasks that are directly in front of you. Now we are going to see tip number 4, which is recurring tasks for ongoing projects. If you're working on projects that need regular attention, whether it's weekly team meetings, monthly reports, or tasks that recurs over time, recurring tasks can be huge time saver. Instead of manually creating a new task each time something is due, teamwork allows you to set up recurring tasks that automatically regenerate after they are marked complete. Let me just start with a new task. So let me go to the project, and under the project, I'm going to create a task. So let's just give it a name, which will be documentation. Okay. Now you can set the due date to 7 Feb. Sorry, can't be set as it's already done. So we'll do change it a bit. Cool. Then if you want to add a description, set an estimate time of 2 hours. Then if you want, you can add a tag. Always add the tag that is really needed. then go on to the details. So if you just go to the detail, up here you have this option of set to repeat. So if you just simply click to it, so for now it is does not repeat. Now you can even set it to daily, every weekday, on selected days, or weekly, every X day, or every X day only weekdays. So whatever is your choice. For example, I am selecting it on selected date. So you can just simply select the days you want to repeat on Wednesday only, and you can just apply. So this is how you can set the reminder, or you can say you can set the timer, and it will reoccur every time it is needed to do, and it is done automatically now. So you do not have to be repeating it every day or recreating the task. It could be done automatically, and it will be there as a reminder for you. So this is incredibly useful for tasks like daily stand-up meetings, weekly client check-ins, or monthly reports. And you can simply even create it. So with recurring tasks, you can ensure that essential activities are never forgotten, and you won't have to waste time recreating them manually every time when they come up. Last but not the least, tip number 5. Integrate with other tools for maintaining workflow. Now, Teamwork integrates with a variety of third-party tools, which can save you insignificant time by consolidating your workflow in one place. Whether you are using Slack, Google Drive, Zapier, or any time tracking tool, Teamwork allows you to integrate these apps to centralize communication, file sharing, and project management. Now, let me show you how to set up these integrations. So first you go to integrations. You just go to home, and here in your sidebar you can just simply above your profile you can see 9 dots. You can just click on it, manage your teamwork apps. So you can simply just go on your profile, and here you can see apps and integration. When you click on your profile, then you can simply just click on it, and you can even see what are the things you can just simply add on to your teamwork. Here are some apps from teamwork itself. Then you can even add calendar, Dropbox, Drive, and many more. So you can just enable these, and those are enabled. You can even disable or manage the users for that, and it's simply done. It is integrated with your teamwork, and you can simply use it for you to have the notification of those apps while working on your project all at one place. So these simple integration can help you save time in navigating into various apps and having the communication on one place. This way, you won't have to switch between multiple tools and can keep everything in one dashboard. So, with integration, you're eliminating silos, keeping your communication in one place, and making sure everything flows smoothly across the platform you use every day. So, those are 5 time saving tips that can help you streamline your workflow and make the most of it teamwork. By using shortcuts, task templates might work, recurring tasks, and integration, you will be able to work more efficiently and effectively. By adopting these tips, you will be able to save time, reduce your workload, and improve your overall productivity. Before ending this video, let us quickly see what we have learned from this video. So in this video, we have learned about what is teamwork, the interface of teamwork, the features of teamwork, 5 time saving tips to work with teamwork. Thanks for watching, and feel free to share these tips with your team to help them save time as well. If you found this video helpful or have any questions, drop them in the comment section. We'll be happy to answer them. And do check out our YouTube channel, KnowHow Academy, for more such videos.